I was just about to put my Zeus juice, because it's time for everyone to get a little bit of nutrition here. And I wanted to tell you it has two of the same things in it. The humic acids and the sea kelp. I don't know if you can see that. One of these days I'm going to get better at this. But I'll leave the description down below. And it wasn't cheap, no. But this should last me a really long time, because it only took me a half of a teaspoon. You put in a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons per gallon to make up what's going to take care of this plant here. I'm going to leave in the description below what this looked like the last time I had to take care of it, because the recharge has the same ingredients that are in here, 2 of them, but it has a lot more. But the recharge and the Nectar of the Gods one shot is what really helped this plant come along. This is my bell pepper, and so we're going to go ahead and give it its dousing. Now, I like to do this in the bathtub with this drain underneath it so that it can drain properly and it doesn't end up sitting in a bunch of stuff. So it's going to sit here until it absorbs it all and it is drained completely, and then it'll go back into my grow room, and where it will sit on another platform like that. This is what's going to stimulate my root growth. If you remember, I had a lot of problems with my root growth. But again, big shout out to Anthony and AJ from Queen City Cannabis, because without their help, my whole garden would be dead by now. Did appreciate paying all the money that I did for all of these products, but I certainly appreciate the production they're giving me now. I so badly want to do an update to show you my entire garden and how much it has grown. But it will be 30 days from the last time I did the update. But this is a fun one to do, actually, because it's to their benefit. If you, I didn't pick up a stone, but if you have a pump that's pumping in water as you're mixing your nutrients together, it helps give more air to the roots in the soil. I was going to do a fun video showing you how to do that, and perhaps I will in the future. But today I need to take care of all my plants, and I needed to introduce my Zeus juice, which I find to be completely funny. But it's made by Nectar of the Gods, same as the one shot. But the one shot is what worked like magic. I had probably 3 to 4 inches of growth on everything within 24 hours of using it. And look at how lively this is. And if you do, just bip in on the other video I had made of how I was trying to get rid of whatever problem it had and how sad it looked. You'll see just how much that one shot helps. So that's all I really have for you today. It's just a short, quick video. And I'll leave in the description below where you can get it from. It is a lot of money as far as I'm concerned, but we'll see. A dead garden wouldn't have netted me anything. So you guys have yourselves a lovely evening, and I will as well. And I'll talk with you later. Bye.